Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to switch between exponential form and logarithmic form, both directions, so you can translate the equation without having to guess. Take a deep breath. We're going to slow this down and break it apart step by step to make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so exponentials and logarithms are very interesting. Because they are inverses of one another, you're able to move between one format to another format. So for example, if we see a logarithm, it might look like log of some base to some argument equals some letter. So let me just go through that one more time. We have a base, we have an argument, and then we have the answer, or what it's equivalent to. So that is logarithmic form. And we can take that and put it in exponential form by just rearranging the parts. Now, I have a trick to this that's always worked really well for me. Whenever I start rearranging the parts, I always start with the base. So I'll just write my B. And then this red and this blue are going to switch. So Z becomes the exponent, and we are now equal to A. Let me go ahead and color code those as well. So there's my green. My red is now switched with where the blue was. So my trick is just basically to always start with the base and then just swap the blue and red. Start with the base and then swap the blue and red. So let's go ahead and give this a try with some examples here. So for this first one, part A, I'm going to start with the base. And I'm going to swap the 3 and the 125. So it becomes 5 to the third equals 125. All right, part B here, the second one, we get 4 to the negative third equals 1 over 64. All right, let's go ahead and work out these. So my base is 5, so I want to start with my base. Log base 5. And then the 125 and the 3 are going to swap. So log base 5 of 125, that's my new argument, and it's equal to 3. All right, same thing over here. So log base 4 of 1 over 64, this is my argument in parentheses, equals negative 3. All right, we have 4 more examples to go. Start with the base, so log base 3, and then you swap the 4 and the 81. So log base 3 of 81 now equals 4. Base 9, so log base 9 of 3 equals 1/2. Switching back over to the other direction. So base 3 to the 4th power equals 81, and base 9 to the 1/2 power equals 3. All right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. I post videos regularly. My goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.